your girl Renee, and I am out in my backyard, and I am on the hunt for that mean squirrel. So like I did in my previous video, when I went to the Dollar Tree and I brought all kinds of things in order to stop that pesky squirrel, well, I think I hit the jackpot. I got some contraptions here that I am going to try out on that crazy squirrel, and we're going to see if we can stop him from digging in Miss Renee's garden. So this is what I came up with. Remember in my video when I was sitting in my car and the sink drainage mesh things? I took the bigger one that looks like this, and those landscaping hooks, I just put them in the inside of the drainer, because you know these go in your sink in order to catch all the goop and stuff that's going down your drain. Well, Miss Renee's just gonna flip it over like a hat, because I need something in the middle to where the lily can start to grow and still get light and water, and then that way, and it has a wire around it. So I'm hoping when Rocky sees this, he'll be like, oh man, she done figured it out. I can't get to that lily. Oh yeah, Rocky, check this out. This is a trap just for you. It's gonna put an ugly expression on your face, but look at my face. You can't get to my lily. So let's put this thing in on this lily and see if we can stop Rocky from coming and destroying Miss Renee's black lily. All right, I'm gonna put you down so y'all can see exactly what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna find where that lily is, and then I'm just gonna place this right on top of it. Okay, so the lily is right here. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna push it down around that lily. Here, I'll show you what I'm doing. See what I'm doing? I just pushed it down so Rocky cannot get in that one. Not this one. No way, no how. So, and I brought a bigger one. This one here. And I got these landscaping hooks too. I got 2 of these. And then I got this one. This drainer that I said. We're going to put this one over through the arbor. Come on, let's go through here. And we're going to see, you guys can see this one. See if I can bring you up. Hopefully it'll stay. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it over a lily. Find out where these were. There's one there and one there. So what I'm going to do, because they have these holes right here, I'm just going to stick them pins in this hole, stick this pin in this hole, and then we're going to stick it over that lily. Make sure it goes over. There. And I'll show you what it looks like. See? So it's like a dome over the lily. So we're going to see if this will deter old Rocky and leave my stuff alone. See if he'll be a nice squirrel and come here and say, that's too difficult to figure out, or he'll go somewhere else. Fingers crossed that he will go somewhere else. All right, guys, that's my first attempt, And then I also went and had some wire and stuff from Lowe's. So if this doesn't work, which I think will, then I'm going to go and use the wire. That'll be trick number 2. But this is number 1 test to see if we can get rid of that pesky Rocky. Oh, and let me let you see what the wheelbarrow is looking like. Check out the wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow is showing some life with the tulips. Isn't that cool? It's starting to come alive, you guys. And my hydrangeas, they're starting to come alive too. All right, I just wanted to bring this to you guys to let you know that I am out in my yard trying to eradicate Rocky. All right, we got this. All right, guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you're having a blessed day. And send good thoughts and prayers my way for Rocky. All right, guys, take care.